Alright, there's a roof. Let's go to the roof. There's two roofs. Alright, the first one is down. Let's go to the last one. God, oh, okay. Oh, no. There goes our view. Alright, he's back. Alright, goes over again. See what's the walls missing. Alright, here we are. It's on the furniture center. And then it's spring. This is spring. On the high spring.